What's up? It is Joey the Set. Welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, welcome back. If you are new here, what's up? Today I'm going to show you, look how soft this contour is. Ooh, why am I going to vocal fry? Look how soft this there we go. Look how soft this contour is, okay? And this was achieved through underpainting. Underpainting is super popular right now. I'm super excited to show you step by step how to achieve this look. So grab your concealer, your bronzer stick, your setting powder, your pressed powder, your blush setting spray, and meet me back here. Ooh. All right, girl, let me just take a sip of this coffee and we are about to begin. Every time I start filming, Pistachio wants to knock the camera down. So I'm gonna take my primer. This is for dry skin. Keep in mind my skin has already been clean, prepped, moisturized. Now I'm applying, oh, I lost a nail, so ignore it. If you watch my vlogs, you know that I have to see my gel X. I still have a long way to go. Now I'm going to take, and that way this gives me that dewy, glowing skin. Take the contour stick, apply it here. Right here at the tip of the ear, here, forehead, tip of the ear, so I'm going to take my little contour brush. Clearly I did not wash it. Don't judge. It was just from yesterday anyway, so relax. Take my contour brush. Look at how I'm holding. I'm holding it towards the end. You see this placement? And I'm just going to swoop it down. So swoop it down. Take the brush. Push it up. Flick it up. Swoop it down. 2, 3. To better explain it, I'm going to swoop it down like so. And I'm going to push it up, going all the way down. And then I swoop. So I alternate doing that. So I'm just in the habit of that. So down, push, 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 down, push, 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 push. Now I'm going to take the brush and I'm not going to flip it. Literally, I'm just going to round out. Whatever's left over, we're going to just get the jawline. Now we are going to blend this in up here. You know how in makeup they say trust the process? In underpainting, you really have to trust the process. Also too, I recommend doing this technique when you have free time, when you don't have an event to go to, because it's gonna give you anxiety, because it gave me anxiety doing it. I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to turn out so bad. And then I finished it, I was like, so, down, push up, down, push up, and I'm holding it too close. Because the thing is, when you hold it too close, you like smush it. Down, push up. Now we're gonna take the brush and we're gonna round it out. Whatever's left over, let's go here. I'm gonna take a brush and we're just gonna blend out this nose contour. This is how it's supposed to look. Do not freak out. It's in the shade Light Sand. Apply this right here. You see where this little part of the ear is? Right here. Right where my blue eyeliner is. Right here, and you go up. I hit the forehead. I forgot to blend out underneath here. Don't forget to blend that out. And here too. So now we're going to take an even brighter concealer. So the first concealer here was Light Sand. This is Fair Warm, a little brighter. We're still using the e.l.f. Hydrating. I have dry skin. All my products are going to be hydrating. I'm going to place it under the eye like so. So I'm going to take my setting spray and I am going to let this dry, and then we're gonna start to blend it out. But also too, this is very important. This is very important, getting your makeup to last all day. Set in between and then set after. Let's take our brush and we're gonna start to blend. Again, you're gonna look crazy. And all I'm doing is pressing down. It's like buffing it out. So I'm just like literally tapping it down like that. At the chin. I think this is called the Mary Phillips technique, where she underpaints. Now, I've noticed when she underpaints, she does it to do like a soft glam. This is kind of more dramatic because I like the drama in my contour. Again, so I think she started, but if she didn't and I'm not giving credit to the right person, just let me know. Nowadays, you have to make sure you credit everybody because apparently everybody starts a trend like every 2 seconds, even though it's a trend that's been around forever. But they just, you know, redid the trend and made it popular, so. But still, give those their flowers, so I get it. Just gonna go in here and tap like so. Snatched. Look at this. Now it is time to go in the inner eye. I actually need a smaller brush. So this is from Morphe. It has no name on it. I got it with the makeup. It was like a makeup artist brush collection. So there's no name, but yeah. All I'm doing is just blending this out. Also too, when it comes to concealer, it's always light to dark. Ooh. Light to dark. And I'm just gonna come in here and blend this out too. Hold on, my dog wants to jump in the bed. Just taking a little bit of setting powder, and this is from One Size, the best setting powder ever. And just lightly setting it. I'm gonna take my blush. I only set this area, I didn't set up here yet because we still need to apply blush. And this is P. Louise Sun Kiss Miss. And notice where I'm applying it. I'm applying it right above the contour, right below the highlight. So now I'm just gonna go in here and blend out this blush. I'm bringing it down to where the contour is, but it's still sitting on top of the contour. I'm not bringing it like down here. It's still sitting on top. You know what this reminds me of? That ice cream, the vanilla, chocolate, and what's the Napoleon? Remember, all we're doing is blending it and bringing it down. It is a moment of truth. Let me just tell you guys, I was not supposed to set underneath my eye till after my foundation. Oh my gosh, what was I thinking? Okay, if you are watching this and doing this with me, I apologize. Oh well, we'll see how this goes. Makeup by Mara, and I'm using 13W. I'm gonna put just one pump, that's it. Take my brush. And I am just dabbing this all over, just pressing it into my skin. I'm not wiping. Notice I'm not. I am pressing it. So you go ahead and press it. 2. And then you can go ahead and feather it down to the neck. Bubby. Let's go there. Oh god. Can we just talk about how nice this looks? I mean, do you guys see how natural this looks? Do you see how there's no harsh lines? Did I not tell you? Trust the process. Trust me. So now I'm just gonna really quickly take some powder blush. It's from Shein. The Sweet Cheeks. Sticking these two colors here. I'm just going to lightly. Just keep it light. I don't want it to be super dramatic. Now, I'm actually going to take Juvia's Place palette. These two colors, you can see I use them a lot because you can see the pan. And did my little glossy, my brush I used earlier to put the powder. I'll use that and I'm just going to blend out right here. Because you see how there's a little bit of a disconnect from the concealer to... I'm going to put that right here. Right where the disconnect is. I'm gonna take my Fit Me press powder, just going to press this all over. Press this all here. Now you could, if you want to, you can bake, but I'm not going to. This looks so pretty. So the only thing I'm going to do off camera is I'm going to finish underneath my eyes because I don't like to do underneath my eyes before I do my foundation. I don't want to do that. So all I'm going to do is finish underneath my eyes, apply some lip gloss, and I will be back.